Now, we have looked at examples of mods records. We have looked at elements defined in mods, and finally we will look at the schema itself. Schemas are always the most official final source you should check in case there is anything that is unclear about the schema, because schema defines everything a computer need to know before it could process a record. But obviously, as you see, schema does not look too pretty, and reading those elements embedded in the tags line by line and remembering those is a pretty difficult task. So of course, people are way too smart to staring at those tags and try to figuring out. They are tools to help us to read complex XML schemas. And one of the free ones are called LiquidXML Studio. So you can download a version from their website. A LiquidXML Studio helps you. Let me make the screen smaller so it fits into my recorder. It helps you to visualize XML schema. So I have saved the mod schema in my computer, so I will open this schema. So I hit return to get rid of that window. What we see here, the LiquidXML Studio helps you to look at a schema in different views. And first you check there's no arrows. Okay, so that's a good thing. Let's close this window so we can make those two windows larger. The source code are here, and you can read them through. The first line always declares a namespace and etc. And then here import, as you see, XML schema supports import. You can grab from another schema location a set of elements you want to use. So you can import from other namespaces. And as I said, we don't want to read through those line by line because they are pretty messy. So let's look at the visual representation of the schema. We understand from our previous exercise that mod collection is the root element. It's one of the root elements. So we can click open to see in mod element you can have mods, records, individual mods, and within mods what you can have. You can have other elements, a set of other elements, name, genre, original info, etc. inside your mod tag. So this visualization shows clearly the hierarchical structure. And if we look at the subject, and we will see a sub-element inside the subject tag. Their topic, geographic, temporal, title info, etc. So that's how we actually, that's normally how a schema designer would design a schema using a tool like LiquidXML Studio. And also you can use this tool to create sample XML document. If we can create, for example, a simple mods, because there's two options. You can create a collection or one single mods record. And if we do that, it will give us a sample record, and then you will fill out your values and edit this to so for example, copy information and edit this record to create new mods record. And we'll fix those problems.